After updating the mobile number through Aadhaar authentication process, if the mobile number is showing blank, as shown in this video, don't click on the Update Mobile Number tab, because it will open a new page for making payment of ₹100 for updating the mobile number. Just wait for a few minutes to few hours, then just again update and confirm the mobile number for the registered vehicles through Aadhaar authentication process. The mobile number will be updated on paraviahan.gov.in without paying any fees. It is free for updating the mobile number for registered vehicles and driving license through Aadhaar authentication process. How to update? Visit. Click Online Services and go to Vehicle-Related Service. After that, select your state in which your vehicle is registered. Now click Vehicle Registration Number and enter your vehicle registration number and proceed. A new page will open, in which click Mobile Number Update. Now enter your last 5 characters of your vehicle chassis number and click Verify Details. A new page will open, in which we can verify our mobile number through Aadhaar authentication process. After Aadhaar authentication process, we have to enter the full details of our vehicle and click on Show Details. Your mobile, if already updated, will show in the details, and if not updated, please don't click on the Update Mobile Number tab, because it will open a new page for making payment of ₹100 for updating the mobile number. Just wait for a few minutes to few hours, then just again update and confirm the mobile number for the registered vehicles through Aadhaar authentication process. The mobile number will be updated on paraviahan.gov.in without paying any fees. For updating and verifying the mobile number of driving license is also the same. For updating the mobile number for driving license through Aadhaar authentication process, click on Driving License Related Services. A new page will open, in which select the state for which the driving license has been issued. In the page, click Mobile Number Update and verify and update the mobile number for driving license through Aadhaar authentication. If the mobile number is already registered, no need to update it. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has advised that linking Aadhaar to mobile numbers associated with driving licenses and vehicle registrations is essential for accessing certain transport-related services. This includes online vehicle registration and updating mobile numbers on the Vahan and Sarathi portals. All vehicle owners are requested to update and confirm their mobile numbers for their registered vehicles through Aadhaar authentication process. Please visit the portal paraviahan.gov.in and complete the process online. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has issued a new advisory, urging all driving license holders and registered vehicle owners to promptly link or update their mobile numbers. This process must be completed through Aadhaar authentication to ensure better communication and improved access to transport-related services. According to a ministry advisory, the linking of registered vehicles with their mobile numbers, along with an authentication with their Aadhaar numbers, will be mandatory and will be essential to access any transport or driving license-related services. The ministry further stated that individuals can visit the official Vahan and Sarathi portals to add or update their mobile number details. This will help ensure that the information is complete, accurate, and up to date. An online facility has been provided to update mobile numbers on the portal, it noted. State transport departments have also been sending alerts to driving license holders and vehicle owners, reminding them to update their information. Both the center and state transport departments have been organizing campaigns for those who change phone numbers and addresses to save themselves from paying fines.